Well, many reasons.
Well,
Which one was this?
the one that
What
thought that
is
you broke
this
up with her
song?
because of the blowjob, but you didn't. You just didn't like her because she was boring.
Oh.
Not this
But
one.
it
Not a
wasn't
different
sex, it was just life was boring.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like, she
Anna,
ate
yeah.
the-
No, it wasn't her.
She
one.
ate the...
It's hard to keep up with all your ex-fiancés.
Well, she's not an ex-fiance. She's just an ex-girlfriend. Anna was just an ex-girlfriend.
Mine's 0.
But she gave a decent
That's water?
hand job.
I've literally had 2 dudes that asked me to marry them.
After getting a
And,
blowjob.
well, yeah, far after though, but neither one of them like blowjobs. Now,
My first boyfriend
three.
thought it was disrespectful, but we were like 15.
my husband did not like blowjobs.
He was like, "This is
As opposed to
disrespectful."
being pounded in the rectum. by-
Yeah.
and then the guy that I was engaged to down here, Johnny, the dude I ended up biting his ear off. He
You
didn't
ended up
like-
biting his ear off?
Yeah, because he fucking.
I thought you said he did, and I was like, "That's
He bit me,
impressive."
he beat me up, and I fucking did his ear off. And
Mike
he stopped.
Tyson.
You Mike Tyson, the motherfucker, yeah.
I didn't know what I was blacked out because he fucking beat the
Mike
shit out of me.
Tyson, Van Gogh,
Syndrome.
Van Gogh.
And then he
You got the
screaming like a
Tysonitis.
bitch.
Oh.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, right.
Braver than me right now.
A little bit out of Mike Tyson.
Yeah.
What a good day. It's nice and overcast. Not fucking hot. There's this thing.
Oh, yeah.
We might be able to actually watch video of us.
That video worked out too. It just
We have no
I don't
idea.
have any story.
Well, I know, but
What?
was it? Did you look? Did it go to
Yeah,
the guy in
it
the
went-
car?
It went. I don't know if it went to the guy in the car. but we
Yours
were-
cuts out with like the
Because
you
I have
can't
no
you capture
stories.
the most boring parts of our life. Like we really should have brought it
Yeah,
in
but that's
the
how
water.
all good footage is shot. You always get the bullshit, and somehow you always miss the great thing.
I know. I should have had the balls to bring that GoPro in the water.
I
That was the
That was hilarious. I forget. I even forget because I forget what we were talking about. Like we need a scribe.
I know.
A scribe.
A scribe.
I
Let's
want
get
a
a
scribe.
sinologist up in here, too.
I want a driver. I want a scribe, and I want
You got a...
what other private things?
Hey, we can get a nerdy guy to follow us around.
Stenographer is the
Certainly
less
there's a
cool
nerdy guy
scribe.
on this
Yeah,
island.
The scribe's calligraphy. A stenographer would have to have some sort of fucking little, the tiny little mini fucking.
Yeah, that, like you...
What are the
combo-
letters on
You can
there?
do it. Now
They're
you
not
can do
letters.
it.
The combo of letters makes words. It's so fucking weird. Like, I know normally a combo of letters makes
Well,
words.
no, I understand. No.
You're looking at me like, well, yeah, that's how
What?
language is. This isn't hieroglyphics.
No, but I understand what you're saying because it's similar to like with galaxies, how you can do the like.
Yeah, yeah.
text. I can't do that shit at all.
Like
It doesn't
Swipe.
it doesn't compute with
Oh,
my
I love
brain.
Swipe. I can't believe how accurate it is.
But I
use
can't
Swipe.
use Swipe. It
Mine
doesn't.
I look like,
I doesn't.
I'm serious though. I'm doing it.
It gives me anxiety. I'm like, oh, I should have gone left. I should have gone left.
When I'm doing it, I genuinely, I don't know how it works out properly because I feel like I'm autistic in the
Oh, well, if you don't have that on your computer, it would stand the reason that you left them somewhere.
Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm sorry if my vagina's hanging out. Please tell me.
Well, I wasn't looking.
Well, please just let me know.
I told you about the time that I was in Las Vegas. I drank like,
Your vagina's out?
no, I'm not my vagina. Actually. my very little itty,
Not the vagina.
no, my little
A
bitty.
different set of
And
cleavage.
it was the last day that we were there. We went to see R.L. Grime, and it was back when I drank Fireball. Like I literally you couldn't give me free Fireball. And I wouldn't drink it. That's like literally the one alcohol I think that I
Bobby
would
Joe's the
never.
only one that's been able to talk me into it. Just 'cause
I will literally never think it over. After Molly and everything, like I just won't.
Yeah, well, I was sick
It's
the
just-
entire
you just
time.
can't
I drank it
breathe,
for
like,
3
you
years
just-
and I was sick every day and did not realize
Well, remember
until
how-
I stopped drinking it and then I stopped being sick. And I was like, what the fuck?
But I drank like.
Remember a while ago they got in trouble because they had in the ingredients was like,
They still have it in the ingredients. They never changed them.
I think the
Probably
one they,
just maybe try to
I
change.
think the one they
That's just
had to
delicious.
take out because it was the chemical compound that you find in gasoline.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
it's
no,
something. I mean, it's just
It wasn't
What?
gasoline. It was
Kerosene?
no, it was
antifreeze,
antifreeze. Yes.
Oh, yeah, well,
which I've been saying since I started this conversation. But I drank like half, and we were supposed to get on, like we were waiting for our flight. And I got out of the pool, and my friend's boyfriend was like, "You're out."
it is rolling, baby.
He was
Yeah.
like, "You're out," and I was like, "Yeah, I know I'm out of the pool."
You You are out.
No, he meant like I am out. Like titty out. He's like you're out. Like he didn't know how else to say it because it's like my girlfriend's your best friend and I'm just like looking at your titty like you're out. And I was like yeah I know I'm out of the water I'm out.
Oh.
And he's like you're out. And then Nicole looks and she's like your titty's out. And I was like Jesus Bill you could have just said your titty's out. And it
Then
would
it
have
just goes tits.
yeah.
It works every time.
I drank half a thing of fucking.
Yeah. These rocks, and you got a pile there.
Can you
You
walk
got a
over
small
there?
island there. Yeah, you can.
I don't know if you want to. I don't know how you like to hit.
You can walk through some good wading pools.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, completely. And it's actually really weightier than this, so this is nice and glassy.
This is nice.
Except
This is
there
kinda
won't
how
be-
big Santa Maria was the first time.
On the other side of this, there's like, instead of the beach, the water just comes straight up to a huge pile of rocks.
Yeah.
And on wavy days is when you can make those videos where
Lady
like...
days?
Yeah, lazy
Wait,
wasn't the right word.
Wavy.
Wait.
I meant wavy. On wavy days, you can do that thing where like you
Ooh,
will
what's a
stand
related day?
like in front of the rocks and wait for it, and the water comes up and like bursts into the air because it's shaped like that over there.
Alright, will you do me a favor? Will you cut that off so I can change?
You pass that sound. It's not swinging anymore. Swinging!
No, but I'm just saying.